Ciao, welcome to my channel Learn Italian Language. In this lecture, we will know the Italian verbs that are very easy. Okay, first verb is to answer. In English, we will say it as a verb. Okay, to answer, rispondere. Rispondere. It will also help us to know the vocabulary of Italian. To answer, rispondere. To ask, domandare. Domandare. Ok? To be, essere. Essere or stare. Okay? To stay, stare. These are two same in the same of meaning. To be, essere or stare. To stay, stare. To be able to, potere. Io posso, tu puoi, lei, lui può, noi possiamo, voi potete, loro possono. Okay? To be able to, potere. Io posso, I can. To be called. Chiamarsi. Chiamarsi. To come. To come, venire. To do, fare. To do, fare or to make. Both same meaning, fare. Io faccio, tu fai, lei, lui fa. Noi facciamo, voi fate, loro fanno. Okay. To explain, spiegare. Spiegare. Next is to go. To go mean andare. To go mean andare. Io vengo, tu vieni, lei, lui viene. To have. To have, avere. To must, dovere. Must, dovere. You have to, avere. You have to have, avere. You have to must. You have to do this, dovere. Okay. To know, sapere. To learn, imparare. Imparare. To listen, ascoltare. To speak, parlare. To eat, mangiare. Okay, let's repeat. To answer, rispondere. To ask, domandare. To be, essere. To stay, stare. To be able to, potere. To be called, chiamarsi. To come, venire. To do or to make, fare. To explain, spiegare. To go, andare. To have, avere. Must or to must, you have to, dovere. To know, sapere. To learn, imparare. To listen, ascoltare. Okay, these are all the verb infinito. Okay. If you want to learn Italian, please subscribe my channel Learn Italian Language and please like and share my videos. Ciao!